the movie like this. Got all this money, I'm feeling like Mitch. Like, I don't like beefing with kids. I'm on his body like I was a sis. Too grown, I don't fight with my fists. Lil' bro, get the fucking it. The poppin' his bottle for poppin' it. Feel like the king, I'm on top of it. They put on my show, they start popping they hips. Let's get that boy what he want. They make a movie if he tryna stunt. I'm in no bed, they gon' think I'm a nut. You started, cannot be undone. Like I'm a king, but do not call me Chun. Get in that mood and I don't give a f. Let me see who really trump. Them boys not crazy, they see us, they run. Said I'm not in the mood, so please watch your approach. Bro, itch in the throat, eyes wide open like he seen a ghost. I don't got time for no troll. In the coast, mentioning me, don't forget I'm a goat. Mentioning me, don't forget the kid.
Hold me, can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down. Hold me, can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down. Stick to the script, never. I know life can get way better. I know life can get way sweeter. They say life's way in the meter. I take on dates, I'm a keeper. I take on dates, I'm a lover. I'ma treat her like she is my own. I'ma treat her like there's no other. Hold me, can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down. Hold me, can't let them hold me. Can't let them hold me. Can't let them down.
Tune, not a cartoon. Red eyes running on fumes. Gray skies finna fall soon. Third eye got his own views. Small world, but my dog's huge. Food for thought, that's the dog food. Think it's sweet like some junk food. That's why I draw the line like it's our school. They tried out what I can do. I take I'm out impossible. The world is mine, I'm responsible. I'm colorblind, I come out the blue. World in my hands, I'm ball hogging. And when the summer, spring, fall on it. I'm at your grill like George Foreman. Dogville, never a dog moment.
Hold me, can't let them hold me.